Welcome to our 6th tutorial of how to crochet for absolute beginners. Today we will complete this tutorial with the last stitch, which is called slip stitch. And again we will start with our well-known slip knot, and we will chain 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. This is a very simple stitch, but you do use it quite often. So let's turn our work, and we will work again at the back bumps of the chain. And I'll show you. We will skip the first one and we'll go straight into the second. So what the slip stitch is, you go into the stitch, yarn over and pull through, and instead of yarn over how we do single crochet, you keep going through this loop. So we go in, yarn over, pull through, pull through. So this is a slip stitch. Yarn over, pull through and pull through. Yarn over, pull through and pull through. You don't need to yarn over again. Yarn over, pull through, pull through. Yarn over, pull through and pull through. Can you see how nicely it looks? So we will do only this row. Normally we use it when we finish a round, or you see in our next tutorial the project we're going to do where we use it. But this is what a slip stitch look like. So I wanted to show you what we've learned. So in our first tutorial, this is what I've got here. So in our first tutorial, we learned how to do a slip knot and a chain. This is what we did. Then we gradually started with a single crochet. You can see the difference. Then we start adding yarn over. So this is the half double crochet. Then we did then we did 1 yarn over, but we went through 2 and then 2 to go through. And at the end we yarn over twice, but we had to pull through 3 times. And the latest one we've just learned is the slip stitch, which is this one. I suppose we can put this one somewhere here, slip stitch. But this is used either sometime at the end or just to, let's see, it should be there. So chain, slip stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet and treble crochet, and well done. The next tutorial we will make from what we've learned from all these tutorials how to create a lovely project, and I'm pretty sure you will love it. Bye till the next time. Please like, subscribe and comment. Put all your work. I would love to see what you have created. Bye bye.